Daddy is fixing the water right now. We will have water momentarily, girls. It's a lot different. Oh, you like that? Oh, is that nice? Keep doing what you want, little chrysanthemum.
So once we chop this one, make sure it's... Yeah, we're gonna have to be right on the money with this one.
Yeah, so it don't...
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
See, man, I couldn't figure it out. Well, I didn't know they made those other fittings and stuff. I was like, how are we
sliders,
going to do this? And,
you're right. Because they don't really jiggle around, but I'm gonna get my tape real quick.
Okay. Do they?
They're like $7-8.
No way. What else can you cut with it?
It's for walls when you
Yeah.
can't get a saw in it. Okay. Okay. Well, not on the new pipe. That would have been hell on that old pipe. Trying to scoot this across it.
Yeah.
About that much on either pipe. Well, just to go in and scoop in there. Let's see.
Yeah, say let's do that.
So you guys think it was just kind of a shift in the pipe that...
I don't know. Between the freeze and stuff and then that earthquake deal, who knows? Because then it was a few days later after the earthquake. We're just letting the glue cure for sure, and then we're gonna go turn the water on, see if we got any leaks.
It's a lot different.
Yeah. This is just a way better setup as far as the flex and stuff on that, what's it called, the T. Because not that the lines weren't 100% true going together, so that's why I think that the T broke. Because I had a little bit of pressure, and then that lovely earthquake, and then the freeze and stuff didn't help, and it just kind of finished it off. My opinion, but I'm not an expert.
So now it'll always be kind of more of a relaxed.
Yeah, yeah.
Daddy is fixing the water right now. We will have water momentarily, girls. Everybody, there's just a little bit of water left, but it's enough for the next 10 minutes. And your daddy's getting you water right now. Yes. He went to turn on the water main. Yep, he did. Evelyn, nice to see you. Little baby's getting a little bit of a salt block over there. Oh, you're cute. Oh, here he comes. I hear him. Hey, he is going to test the water. Let's go see.
To get any junk out of it.
I mean, as long as you didn't do it in like a kitchen faucet or something, you should be good.
Did you hear some water going? Bloop, bloop, bloop?
Yeah.
Just getting the air out of the pipes.
Yeah, I want to make...
You just running water?
Right now.
How's it working?
It's working good right now. Just need to make sure there's no leaks out there.
Okay.
You gotta stay here, Bobo.
Bobo, we've got water. Now we could like do dishes and stuff. Ooh, we could flush toilets. Yeah, let's go check all the water out. Oh, the water's working. Thank goodness, girls, huh? still have water? Barely any water. Is that okay? I'm here to check for eggs. Excuse me. Are we sharing a nest right now? Can I please check for eggs? I only got one today, so that means you two are the leftovers, huh? So when I got this from the red girl, can I see, honey? No way to there. Can I see here? No way to there. Okay. Keep doing what you want, little chrysanthemum. Keep doing what you want. I just got the chance to catch this new little baby. Yeah, we've got to dock your tail, Bubba. Yep, we do. I know. I was mean. His mom was eating. I just grabbed him. He just now started yelling, but she's not yelling for him yet. Hi, you're cute. Let's go see Daddy. Yeah. I know, it's okay. You got long legs. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're a beautiful little boy.
I can hold that.
We're past
Here,
it now.
I'll hold it. You just start tightening it up.
Okay. You salty?
Yep. He wants his ma. Is the tail docking stuff in the barn or is it in the house?
I can't think about that.
I know, but
I don't remember
caught
what,
him and I need
I don't
to do
remember what we did with it.
it. Okay. Okay, I was like,
Is it leaking yet?
No, not yet.
Alright.
We want it to not leak.
Right. So I'll go turn the pump back on.
Okay.
So
I know the mark to watch this time.
All right.
So I can tighten it up before we get to that point. Yeah. Like I said, it's just wanting to push this whole T back. So I'm going to just tighten these down a little more.
I am going to attempt to dock his tail by myself. So, you ready to do this, Bubba? You ready to do this, sweet baby? Okay. So see how his tail is long? We are going to dock it 1 inch. So, I've got to put, oh, you tooted on me. You had a little toot-toot. It was a little toot-toot. Okay, so we are going to put the band 1 inch from his spine down, and then we're going to let him go back to his mama. Let's try this. You ready? Buddy, I'm gonna go right there. And measure. I'm gonna go a little bit further up, right there. We're gonna take it off. This is the hard part. Just keeping the band on, taking the tool off. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, let me make sure that that is 1 inch. 1 inch is from here to here on me, so that is 1 inch exactly on him. So there is his banded tail. These are for sanitary purposes. You're all done. We did it by yourself. We did it by yourself. I know it's weird. It's so weird. He's so sweet, you guys. Look at him. He's so pretty. You're a little ram lamb. It's a little ram lamb. Yes. You wanna go see your mama? You wanna go see your mama? He really likes being petted. Look at him. Oh, you like that? that nice? Oh, yeah. So the mama that has fingers is different from the mama that has the boobs, huh? Yeah. This mama could rub you and you like it. Isn't he sweet? Say hi to everybody. Say, I was born on the 4th. Yep, I was born on the 4th. And I'm a boy. See? I'm a boy. Okay, let's go see your mom. Ready? You ready to go see your mom? Huh? She's gonna yell at you. She's gonna yell, meh, isn't she? Oh, 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 no fighting. Yeah, they're so bigger than goats. So much bigger. Longer legs. Ready? He's like, that tail feels funny. My tail feels funny right now. It feels funny. That's what the other one did. She acted like she couldn't stand because it's annoying. I know. You'll get used to it, honey. I know. I know. See, you can walk just fine. It just feels restricting. I know. It's weird, huh? It's not funny, but it is kind of funny. They don't like it. They don't like it. Where is your mom? You don't use your horns on me. It's not nice. I brought something out for you. Hey, right now. Okay, I'm gonna get it. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, baby cow. Be right back, my love. I'll be right back. Told you I had something for you. Told you I had something for you. You want that? Oh, you want that? Let me brush you. Come on. You got mud on you. Come on. You're gonna come in there. You're gonna let me brush you. Isabella, you want a brush? You want a brushings? Oh, you do? Oh, pretty girl. Oh, you're so sweet. You like it? Yeah, you need a lot of brushings. You got those cockerburrs in you. See? Oh, you want it too? I see you want it.